The soul of Colombia, a journey through its streets. Colombia, a land painted with vibrant colors, echoing with infectious rhythms, and brimming with a spirit that captivates all who venture within. But to truly understand Colombia, you must walk its streets. Bogotá, the heart of Colombia, beats with a frenetic energy. A city where history and modernity collide, creating a unique urban tapestry. La Candelaria, Bogotá's historic district, is a labyrinth of cobblestone streets and colonial architecture. Each building, painted in a kaleidoscope of colors, whispers tales of centuries past. Street art explodes from every corner in La Candelaria, transforming walls into canvases that reflect the city's soul. Murals depict stories of resilience, hope, and the vibrant culture of Bogotá. Plaza de Bolívar, the city's central square, is a stage for daily life. The imposing cathedral and presidential palace stand as silent witnesses to the ebb and flow of Colombian society. From political rallies to casual gatherings, Plaza de Bolívar is a microcosm of Bogotá's diverse population. The energy is palpable, a constant hum of activity that defines the city's pulse. The Transmilenio, Bogotá's bus rapid transit system, is a lifeline for millions of commuters, a testament to the city's efforts to navigate the challenges of urban life. No exploration of Bogotá is complete without indulging in its street food. The aroma of arepas and empanadas fills the air, tempting passers-by with their savory goodness. A bite of an arepa, warm and comforting, is a taste of Bogotá itself. The flavors are simple yet satisfying, a reflection of the city's down-to-earth charm. Medellín, once known for its turbulent past, has emerged as a beacon of transformation and innovation. A city that has reinvented itself through art, technology, and community. The Medellín Metro, a symbol of the city's progress, is a modern and efficient transportation system. It connects the city's diverse neighborhoods, fostering a sense of unity and accessibility. Comuna 13, a neighborhood that was once synonymous with violence, is now a testament to the power of art and community. Murals tell stories of resilience, hope, and the unwavering spirit of its residents. The escalators in Comuna 13, an innovative infrastructure project, have transformed the lives of residents. They provide easy access to the once isolated community, connecting it to the rest of the city. Parque Lerdas, in the heart of El Poblado, is the epicenter of Medellín's nightlife. Restaurants, bars, and clubs spill onto the streets, creating a vibrant social scene. Street vendors line the streets of Medellín, selling everything from flowers to fruits. Their entrepreneurial spirit is a testament to the city's resilience and determination. The entrepreneurial spirit of Medellín's street vendors is infectious. They are the backbone of the city's economy, providing essential goods and services with a smile. Cartagena, a city of colonial charm and coastal vibes, is a jewel on Colombia's Caribbean coast, a place where history and beauty intertwine, creating a magical atmosphere. The walled city of Cartagena, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a living museum. Colorful buildings, adorned with balconies overflowing with flowers, line the cobblestone streets. Horse-drawn carriages clip-clop through the walled city, adding to the romantic ambience. The air is thick with the scent of the sea and the sounds of laughter and music. Getsemaní, a neighborhood just outside the walled city, is a hub of street art and lively atmosphere. Salsa music spills from open doorways, inviting passersby to dance the night away. Plaza de las Bóvedas, once a dungeon, is now a bustling marketplace. Craft vendors sell souvenirs and local handicrafts, offering a glimpse into Cartagena's artistic heritage. A glimpse of the Caribbean Sea, shimmering in the sunlight, is a constant reminder of Cartagena's coastal beauty. The city's connection to the sea is integral to its identity. The true heart of Colombia lies in its people. Their warmth, resilience, and unwavering spirit are what make this country so special. From the bustling streets of Bogotá to the tranquil shores of Cartagena, the faces of Colombia reflect its rich ethnic diversity. Indigenous communities, Afro-Colombians, and descendants of European settlers all contribute to the country's unique cultural tapestry. The unwavering spirit of Colombians is evident in their daily lives. Despite facing challenges, they maintain a sense of optimism and a deep love for their country. The streets of Colombia are more than just pathways. They are arteries that pump life, culture, and history through the nation's heart. From the Andes to the Caribbean, each city offers a unique perspective on the Colombian spirit. So, what are you waiting for? Come, explore the vibrant streets of Colombia. Discover the magic that awaits around every corner. Immerse yourself in the culture, savor the flavors, and connect with the people who make this country so extraordinary. Book your trip today and experience the soul of Colombia firsthand. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and tips. Share this video with your friends and family who dream of exploring South America.